everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm blonde. I've been wanting to go blonde for such a long time and I never did it, and then finally I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. And I did it, and at first I was kind of like, oh, I don't know, should I go back to brunette? But I like it now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Is it weird? I don't know. But anyway, so I really want to do this pop of color for like the summertime. This look is actually inspired by Crispy. She's a really big like makeup artist on YouTube and Instagram. She's amazing. So before I get started with this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to post more videos. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, feel free to let me know in the comments. But let's get started. So for my transition, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this color. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my crease, and then that's going to be my transition shade. And I've already primed and set my primer. I use a soft ochre paint pot as my primer, and I set it with the translucent powder. So I'm just taking a little bit more and then doing the exact same thing and buffing it into my crease. I'm going to go ahead and dip into this color, and I'm only taking a little bit of that color and buffing that into my crease, but I'm going to try to keep it below the first color that we put down because I want there to be a nice gradient between both colors. So I'm just applying it very, very lightly, and then if I want to, I'll go ahead and build it up, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this. JK, I'm going to take a little bit more, just a little bit. So now I'm going to apply this darker brown, and I'm going to be using a 217 to apply that. And the reason why I'm using a 217 is because I want the brown to be a little more precise. So I'm going to take my 217 and then apply this in my crease. And I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm going to try to keep this below my crease, kind of almost on my lid as well, and not bring it in all the way. And I'm also going to pack on some of that same brown onto the outer corner of my lid as well. And that's pretty much it for this color. I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use a MAC 239 brush to apply this on my lid. Almost going to create like a cut crease kind of thing with the glue. And then I like to stop halfway. So next I'm going to mix these two colors, and then to apply this on my lid I'm just going to be using the same brush that I used for the glue. And then also take a little pencil brush, and I'll dip into the lighter brown that I used, and then I just buff it over those two colors to mesh them together. And then I'll go back in with my flat brush that has nothing on it, just whatever is left of the shimmer, and then I pack it on top of both of those again. So now I'm just going to apply some wing liner. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm pretty much just going to finish everything else off camera, and then I'll come back. So now that I'm back, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to use this Fuego palette, and I think this is by Crown Brushes, but I'm not sure. But there's like a red in here, and I'm just going to use that. Use this one. And then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with that. It's not so red, it almost looks kind of pink, but that's fine. And then I'm going to use this lipstick. This is by MAC, it's called Ready to Go. So after that I'm going to take a little more red and then just buff it out again. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is apply some mascara, and then that's it. So that's it for this makeup look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up.